So what's up guys, this is Abdurrahman from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Today I'm going to unbox the brand new DJI Osmo Action 4, and it's gonna be quite a challenge for me to summarize everything in this short video, but I'll do it my best. Well, I'm not gonna review this camera in this short video, but I'll make another dedicated video for this. For now, I will just unbox it and see the first impression. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it. The packaging looks really clean and premium as we expect from DJI. Here is the accessories box and here is the Osmo Action 4 box. We have R Type C to Type-C cable. Battery case, and after that some workstations, manuals. Here is another lens. There's nothing inside. Let's open this. And here comes the Action 4. I think that's all for today's video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.